Hi there, Chris here. Custom pick. And I am going to do one of my favorite locks to pick, and this is a ZETA. And here's our bitting. We can get it to focus. That's our bitting. And we are going to go with Daz Evers. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous custom pick. Made the handle material and the pick and everything else. So let's see if we can get this ZETA. I'm gonna go top of the keyway. And I'm just gonna use this, and it's kind of a dimple hybrid type thing. Okay, that was a fluke. Or it was Daz Evers. Let's try this again. It does have false gates, but the driver is, the key pins and the drivers are the same. And I have gutted these a long time ago. They're fairly difficult to get. Roy Salmon's in my ear. Take the open, take the open, take the open. We'll get it. All right. Your tension has to be good. And there we go. Very light tension. And just wiggle those pin drivers up. And there you go. And these are just so very nice to hold and fun to pick. Anyway, there you go. Custom pick series, Daz Evers, the ZETA. Funny little smiley lock. All right, what can I say? Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. If I can find where I've gutted these, gosh, that was probably videos like 400 or something, and I think we're well into 2,300. Anyway, I'll try. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.